Alright, this is Eric with a quick video walkthrough of the Magic Push Button. The big picture here, this markets to online and offline clients so you can get more clients. And it's just a quick and efficient way to do it. And also it stores 5,000 records so you can market to them over and over again. Essentially, it's a storage locker too. Just go over a few things. Over here, when you get it and you download it, this is what it will look like. You see there's 9 buttons here: YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, mobile, blogs, QR codes, Google, places, SEO, special button. You can market a lot of different products and services here. All these buttons work on a blog that I built, but you can build your own. This is built on short codes. You could build your own blog and use the short codes and propagate the pages there. I'm just doing it for your convenience because it's basic marketing. Obviously, you got to hit these clients quite often, but it will get you business, and you can also outsource this. Give the Magic Push Button to your outsourcer overseas. Give them instructions. They can hit these buttons all day long and get you clients. We're also giving away the you have a download, which is the client version. The client version has like thank you pages and stuff like this over here, so it allows them to use this software to thank their customers. Let's say they buy a lawnmower from a guy, spends $2,000, he sends them a thank you web page. He also send coupons out to them, specials and information about their business also, including anything new coming into the store. Okay, let's just go over this here. These buttons all work off of a page name and an extension. Okay, and all those page names and extensions are in this tools and resources button. So let's go in here first. This is where you want to go when you open this, and you'll see training, resources, tools. I'm going to be putting more stuff in this this coming week and in weeks to come. Okay, so keep checking back there and you'll find more. So when you click resources, okay, you see the short codes, page names. Page names, I told you, were the actual / whatever in order to make this thing work. So let's go to the page names. Okay, and you see you want to use your domain name as localgoldvideo.com. That's for all of them. When you have your own blog, you would put that name in there. Okay, it will work with any domain name. And let's do this YouTube thing here. Okay, so it's YouTube video owners. Okay, I just copied that, and now we can go back to the Magic Push Button. Okay, so basically, let's go to YouTube. You click this button, and I had something else recorded in there. Once you keep this in there, it will stay in there and stay recorded, whatever domain you use. But for my pages, you got to use local goldvideo.com. Okay, and the page name we just went over is YouTube video owners, right? Save and exit. This will close. Now that button is programmed. Okay, I have a client in here that I put in here, random name, phone number, let's say that's their web address, and email address. The video that you want to put in here is it's the code off of YouTube, and let me pull that out for you. I'll get it. Let's go to youtube.com. Okay. I guess I got to spell it right to make it work. Okay. We'll do it their way. Okay, and let's say I were to type in over at YouTube, let's say I type in Facebook marketing. You could use any videos here. Okay, in Facebook marketing, let's just use this one here, lead capture landing page. Let's say you happen to like this and it looked like it would be good marketing, but you can do get the official Facebook This does look like a good video, but it's obviously it's not going to be for you because some other guy's doing his advertising there. But there's a code, you can see it right here. Anything after the V equals and the video that you want is what you want to copy here. So I'm going to copy that. Go back to the magic push button. See the video one here? I'm pasting that in. There's the video code. That video will appear on this page. Now, header comments, PS comments, video comments, header comments will go on top. So let's say you're talking to a guy on the phone. You could put, Havoy, nice talking to you today. Here is the information we spoke about. Whatever. And PS comments, that would be at the end. By the way, put your own style in there, okay? I will call you tomorrow. Okay? Video comments. This will be right underneath their video, basically, or the video that you choose. Check this out. Or how did you like that video? And I always like to use their name because you know it's just for them, right? In a world of mass marketing, when you don't mass market, it really stands out. Now, your personal information, you can see I put mine in here. Push button, ClickBank ID, so you could sell a ClickBank product. Okay, I just put that in there just so. But anyway, this particular, all right, so we'll save and exit. Got to fill it out. YouTube is the one that I have programmed right now. You can use all these buttons for any kind of marketing you want. It's just really the more you get used to it, the more you realize you can create any kind of page you want out of this. But when YouTube, what I created it for, and you could do it, you can recreate the page and do it another way. But what I created YouTube for was to sell what's called the traffic player. And traffic player is those skins that the videos go in. So the idea behind YouTube marketing is find blogs that are playing videos and lots of videos on them. Get a hold of the guy and say, hey, look, I got your video here. He sees his video on the web page. It's really cool. And then he sees his video and all these skins that look really cool. And you say, hey, for 47 bucks, you can have this thing and use it all day long. Now, what's really cool is you'll find videos on, it looks like marketers, but they don't have a blog, and some of them have a website, whatever. But then you get a hold of them and say, look, you need a blog because they rank very well. They rank easier than a website. And I'll build the blog for you and put the video player in there, the traffic player in there. And you see what I'm saying? You get work from them. So you can install the traffic player for them, build a blog for them. I mean, everybody, marketers online are looking to make money. That's the bottom line. And you're looking for people that are trying to market stuff or trying to market themselves or services. Or a lot of them have hobbies, and they'd love to have them in cool skins. And so YouTube marketing is about marketing a traffic player. It's a ClickBank product, and I ask that you buy it through my link. Hopefully you do that, because I use that money to create more content for you. All right, that's basically what I do. And it helps me to do that, so I appreciate it when you do. The link will be there in an email or on the web page that I sent you. Okay. Now, okay, so let's hit the magic push button. Okay. Now, this isn't centered on this video. Okay, it's just the way I'm recording it. Sorry, but here's this information you see appeared here. So we custom created this page for this dude. It's got his phone number. It automatically puts the time and the date in there. Here's the comments we put at the header. Havoy, nice talking to you today. Here's the information we spoke about. How cool is that? How did you like that video, Havoy? You remember I typed that in? Okay, and I was wondering, Havoy, see how his name appears all over the blog automatically. You don't even have to type this in. Do you own a blog? You ever thought about building one? So imagine right here, this is Havoy's video. You found it. Okay, you're doing YouTube marketing and you found it. You're gonna. It says, I stumped. Now look at this. It's all addressed to him. That's really cool. So his video is right here. So he gets an email from you. He clicks it. He sees his video on a web page. He's like, what? He's looking at his own video. Then he sees, now pretend this is his video in here. Okay, and I didn't put the coding in for that. That's why it's not that way. Okay, but his video here will appear in all these players here. Okay, and this goes on basically to sell them. Remember I said you put your ClickBank ID in? That'll make this hot button yours, so you'll get paid $23.50 every time that this guy, this dude, this blog guy clicks this. You're getting $23.50. How cool is that? All you do is just type in. You can leave most of the information the same except the video ID, the guy's name. It's very easy to fill out. Look, it says 10 beautiful skins, client can't fast forward video, blah blah blah. They don't go back to YouTube when you click on the videos. Don't delay, get your traffic player today, Havoy. Just $47 here for Russell.com success. And you have your phone number in there. I have your name here. That's blank, but because I filled my name out, it came there. So you get it? It's really cool, isn't it? This is a contact form. I'm going to take this out because yeah, I may put that back and we'll see about that. You really want them calling you or buying it. And you can see all they got to do is click the button and they can buy it. Okay, so that's YouTube. All the other buttons work the same. Okay, so let's say you did Twitter. You can market Twitter services and show people how to build their business in Twitter. And this here again would be local gold video right here. And in here would be the Twitter page names. And you remember how we got that? Let's X out of here. Go back to here. Resources. Page names. Where's Twitter? Twitter is just Twitter. That's the page name. So you copy that. We'll do a Twitter real quick and then we'll call this video, because the rest is self-explanatory. You just get your page names here, use the domain name here. I'll have a whole video about how to make your own pages, or I can even get you some HTML coding to create your own pages, etc. So, you know, I'll help you figure that out too. Sorry this video is not centered here. It's just the way I started it. Okay, so let's go back to the magic push button. And let's say we were to do Twitter. All right, you remember it? This is still localgoldvideo.com, right? And the page name right here is Twitter. We'll put this in. There's Twitter right there. Oh, I can't spell. Sorry. Localgoldvideo.com. Save and exit. You see this information is still in here. Right? Whatever yours is, so you don't have to change that again. Let's say this is Roger. And then this is his full name. You see that there? You put the first name here and then put his full name here because it's laid out a little bit different. Roger Martin. Business. Hamburger. Restaurant. Whoops, I got equal sign for this dude. Web address. Rogers. Rogers.com. His email, Roger @gmail.com. Okay. Video one. Let's just use that same video so I don't have to go. Oh, it's Twitter now. Sorry, I have to use another video. Okay. Let me go back to YouTube. Let's find a hamburger video. All right, hamburgers. Hamburgers. Okay. Hamburger recipes. Oh, look at this dude. We got to get him.
Okay. We believe any dish can be made at exquisite levels of quality if you really care.
All right, let's get something kind of like... cheese stuffed hamburger. Here's a recipe. Let's go with this guy. Well, we got an ad in there. Let's skip him. They all have ads, but they won't show on your page. I'm actually looking for a funny video. Oh, here you go. Sexy Paris Hilton. Sorry, ladies, I don't mean to be insulting there. So we'll stay away from that. There's a bionic burger.
A typical hamburger, after 7 days, is barely alive. Gentlemen, we can rebuild this hamburger.
Alright, let's get rid of that guy's burger. Alright, we're going to put the video in here. Right? That's the code. Header. Hello. I love your burgers. P.S. comment. Call me and I will install your video skins today. Alright. Video comments. Great video, Roger. That's his video, right? Alright, good enough. Let's hit this. Here we are. Roger Martin Hamburger Restaurant. That's the name of it. Hello, I love your burgers. Don't you love that? Hello, Roger. See, everything, it looks like you just created a website for him, man. How cool is that? I still can't get over it myself. Hello, Roger. My name is Eric Larson from the Magic Push Button. Obviously, you'd have your name in here or whatever your company name. That makes sense. I was taking a look at your website at Rogers.com. See, it looks like you really are looking at it. Notice something that may help hamburger restaurant. Everybody has heard of Twitter, but few businesses effectively capitalize on their ability to attract new clients and grow their business. You see, Roger, Twitter is a powerful medium to communicate with your fans, clients. Twitter rocks. Roger, there are millions of customers making money, making buying decisions now. How much new business do you want in 2011? When you're not on the Twitter bandwagon, you lose. Twitter is a modern day pager. Check out this video. That's his, right? Great video, Roger. You're commenting on this video. That's what you typed in there. Okay. And here's this form I think I'll put back in. It's called the Easy Contact form. So don't worry about it. There's going to be like a few changes and things like that. So, you know, just bear with it, basically. Let's see here. Roger, just leave a reply in the box. Okay, I'll put something in there. So you basically get it, right? I mean, you get what we're doing here. It's pretty simple. I'm clicking on the recording device. That's why it's doing that. Again, it's not centered. Twitter for business. Hello, I love your burgers. It's just personalized marketing. It's really cool. And guess what? Let me show you this too. A couple other things here. Inside the automatic marketing, you can see Roger's stored in here, and we market him Twitter. See that? So now we can market him something else. We know what else to market them. Okay, these are all the things in here. QR codes, SEO, blogs. Okay, everything is in here. Okay, all these buttons here. Okay, and it will tell you what you've marketed to him before. And when he buys, okay, then you don't want to market to him anymore, okay? But you can go back in here and just click on his name. Watch what happens when I double click this. Right now we have Roger, and Roger Martin is in there, right? So let's say we double click on Avoy again. Look at this. You got to make sure that you change Roger out of here. When you double click this here, so let's say you're going to go to Avoy, you double click it, the Roger's old name will be in there. So you want to make sure you change that to Avoy again. You see that? That's automatic marketing. This I'm going to show you how to put WSOs together so you can brand yourself and make money on the Warrior Forum. Right now, that's just going back to let's see, we're just going right over the magic push button. Okay, so we'll put something in there for you too. Support. Let me just check on this here. Okay, magic push button at gmail.com. Temporarily customer. Okay, when you click that button, you're going to go to I'll try and forward that page because it's magic push button /support. So I'll figure out something there for you too to get that button working right. Let's see what else we got. Email client. Okay. After you create their page and you did this, you basically did this so that you can look at it to make sure it looks right. It's pretty cool to look at. But in reality, what you want to do is you're going to click email client. You see how this opens Outlook, and the address will already be in there where it's going to. Okay. And you want to configure Outlook to work with your favorite account, your Gmail account, or whatever. Okay. This has not been configured right, so I'm not on the computer I usually use. Okay, so let's get rid of that. But it basically, no, I don't want to. Okay, that one's not configured. That's why it's all done. I would go to Google and type in Outlook, how to program it to your Gmail account, and then all you do is hit that, send the dude an email, and when you send them an email, you want to create a link with the page that was created. Now the cool thing is about this page is, you see this right here? I just right clicked, I saved this right here. www local video. Inside your clipboard, when you create this page here, it saves, when you right click, it saves the actual page. So when you send them an email, okay, you want to say